Hi, welcome to another session of Smart View training. Today we're going to talk about ad hoc analysis. This is just a introduction to the Smart View ad hoc analysis. The goal of this video is to train you to be able to work with ad hoc analysis. As you can see on my screen, I have Excel opened and there's a Smart View option. I get this is the prerequisite. You want to make sure you have SmartView installed in your laptop. And once you see this, you click on SmartView to begin your ad hoc analysis. Here you get option. You click on option, and you get to the member options. The top, I'll go. These member options. You can. This is the general settings that you want to have on your system. You can zoom in level. You can do a member name display and indentation. And the next one I'm going to talk about is data options. Here you are looking at suppress rows, and you want to have uh, these three replacement under replacement. You want to have these options set to new hash numeric 0. And otherwise, if you see missing, you want to change that to numeric 0, and you want to have all three of them set to numeric 0, and then go down to and click OK, and then again go back to options. If you have advanced, this is where you're going to give your URL connection, and uh, I've already set this as default. The first time you type in the URL you want to have a choice. You get an option to, at any time, at any stage, you get a choice to save this as a default. And if you're using that URL frequently, it makes a whole lot of sense to save it as a default. So in this case, I've saved mine as default. I'm going to click on that, and I will always choose compatibility. Compatibility is to reduce Excel file size and improve metadata storage. This will always help with performance. And I click OK on this. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to go back and look at formatting. Here you have what you could do is you can set things to you that suits you. You can select your cell styles, and you can select Excel formatting. Uh, and then here you have other things that you can. I don't want to go into the details of this today, but this is more of the very essential things that you need to do. The most common things that a user would do is to work with the member options, data options, and advanced. I'm going to click OK, and now I may click on panel, and this is another pane here to the right where I see Smart View Home. Under that, I see Shared Connections. I click on Shared Connections, and from here I choose Hyperion HFM Fusion Edition. When I click on that, it may ask me for my password. I don't know if I think I'm already logged into it, but the first time you connect, now it may ask me for password. Okay, it doesn't, so I'm already past that stage. Well, you come here and you look if the connection is established already. You want to see a little check mark. It's not there. If I clicked on ad hoc analysis, now I'm connected. Now if you want to go back to Smart View, make sure another way, click on connections, go to active connections, and as you can see a little check mark indicating that you are connected. And then you go back over to ad hoc analysis. This is your POV, and this is where you select all your point of view. This is actuals, and this is the list you want to click on, and from here you can pick whichever uh, member or dimension member of the dimension you want to pick, and all you do is you check it and click it over here. It comes over this side on the POE, and I will just reverse this so you know. Uh, Similarly, I just go down all of these POVs and select my members. I could select it 14 here. You could select 13, 12, whatever data you want to see. Similarly, I've selected quarter to date. You could select periodic, year to date, quarter to date, and scenario view. So I've chosen QTD, and then similarly I can go into this list here and look through entities. What so I've chosen BT Asheville cons. This is where I'm going to leave it at. Currencies. Similarly, ICP none, and you can uh, choose whatever data you want to see. Once you've done that, you click on refresh, and this is your sheet, and this is the top level data. As you drill through, you're going to get into the other members of it. As you can see, if you clicked on quarter four, you get October, November, December data. And then similarly, you click on assets and you get going to see further down on the members. You're drilling down as you keep uh, doing this, you can see more and more members. There's options. These are very good options to use. You can explore them on when you have a chance. Zoom in, zoom out, keep only, and remove only. These are really helpful. They are very handy when you are uh, delete. We want to focus on certain members. You can just keep only, and if you don't want to see some data and you want to remove that, you just highlight that and click on remove only. So if you have other assets over here, and you can go pick a member selection here, and you get an option to add, replace that. You could do, let's say, you could choose anything. You could choose this, override. As a matter of fact, let me choose the open close balance sheet and see where we stand with it. And if I refresh, the numbers change, and uh, so that's where how you train this, how you work on this. And that brings us to the end of this demo. I just want to share with you the Hyperion team members, support team members, contact information. All our videos are published at uh, this link here, lifelink.lifetech.com. And when you click on this, you go in there and type under search box, you type HFM and enter, and there's a bunch of videos, and you look for your topic of the day. And this is the support team contact information. Any queries, please feel free to email it to us. And about this video or your suggestions and comments, please shoot us an email at this email ID. Thank you for watching.